Hello student, today we are going to learn measurement word problems. This is part of chapter number 11, measurement. Now see the first example. If a bus that leaves Sangamner at 45 minutes past 6 in the morning reaches Malegaon at 10 past 10 the same morning, how much time did the journey take? We have to ask journey time. From 45 minutes past 6 to 7 o'clock there are 50 minutes, and from 7 to 10 am is 3 hours. From now 10 o'clock to 10 past 10 there are 10 minutes, means total time taken to journey is 15 minutes. This plus 3 hours plus 10 minutes means 3 hours and 25 minutes, means total time of journey is 3 hours and 25 minutes. Second, Roshni had half a liter of milk delivered every day during the month of June. If 1 liter of milk cost rupees 40, how much was the total milk bill? Now Roshni had a half liter of milk. He take in every day during the month of June. June has 30 days. Half liter of every day means 30 times of half liter. Half of 30 is 15, means half of 30 is 50. So she took 50 liters of milk. Total milk bill was 40 into 15 means 600. We can also solve this example in another way. The cost of 1 liter is 40. Cost of half liter is 20. He took milk 30 days. Therefore 20 into 30 is equal to 600. We can solve also in this way. We can take cost of half liter and then solve. Here in this example in book we have to given a 50 days, means 30 days and half of 30 is 15, and then do multiplication. But another way we can do cost half and then solve. Now we solve exercise on page number 69. Solve the following examples. First example, one round of walking track in a park is 250 meters long. Ajit's grandfather walks that path 4 times every morning. How many kilometers does he walk every day? Assume this is a garden and this is track of walking. His grandfather or Ajit's grandfather walk 4 round. The one round is 250 meters long. See, if he started from this and then reaches again here, this total distance is 250 meters. He walk 4 round in this way in the garden. One round of walking track is 250 meters long. Ajit's grandfather walk 4 times every morning, means total walking every day is 4 into 250. 4 into 250 means 1000 meters, means 1 kilometer. Ajit's grandfather walks 1 kilometer every day. Now second example. Sulba bought 4.5 meters of cloth. She divided it into 5 equal length and gave them to 5 friends. How much cloth did each friend get? Now Sulba bought a 4.5 meters of cloth. Now see, this is a cloth and the length of cloth is 4.5 meters. Now we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 4.5 meters is equal to 450 centimeter. Now 4 centimeter cloth divided into 5 friends. See, divide it into 5 equal length and gave to his 5 friends. Means 450 divided by 5. See, 450 divided by 5. 5 9s are 45 and here 0. Means each friend got 90 centimeter cloth. Now see the next example. Third, if a 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 70, how much do 2.5 liter of petrol cost? We are to given a cost of 1 liter petrol and ask cost of 2.5 liter. Now this is the measuring device for 1 liter petrol and the cost is 70 rupees. Therefore, what is cost of 2.5 liter? Now cost of 1 liter petrol is 70 and cost of half liter petrol is 35 rupees. Half of 70 is 35. Now 2.5 liter means cost of 2 liter is 140 and half is 35. We get 175 rupees. The cost of 2.5 liter is rupees 175 rupees. Next question. Jenny bought a quarter kilogram of barfi, half kilogram of chura, a quarter kilogram of sev and 3/4 kilogram jalebi from a shop. What was the total weight of her purchase? He purchased some things from the shop and we have to calculate the total weight of purchase. Now Jenny bought a quarter of kilogram of barfi means 250 grams. A quarter of kilogram is 250 grams. Half a kilogram of chura means half kilogram is 500 grams. A quarter kilogram of sev means 250 grams and 3/4 kilogram of jalebi means 750 grams. 3/4 means 750 grams. A quarter means 250 grams. Half means 500 grams and a quarter kilogram means 250 grams. Now so total weight of her purchase is, we have to add all this. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 3 plus 5 8 plus 2 10 plus 7 17. Means see purchase total 1750 grams. Total weight of her purchase is 1750 or 1 kilogram and 750 grams. Now see the next example. Wasim school started at 12:15 in the afternoon and finished at 5:30 in the evening. If the break was for half an hour, how much time did the children spend in the classroom? We are to given starting time of school and finishing time of school and break time, and we have to calculate the children spend time in the classroom. Now Wasim school starts 12:15 means 12:15 means starting time is 12:15 and finishing at 5:30 means 5:30 p.m. 5:30 school finish. If break was for half an hour, break is half an hour means 30 minutes. Now total time of school from start to finish is, school start at 12:15 p.m. and end at 5:13 p.m. Total time is 5 hours and 50 minutes with break. Now break of 30 minutes. We have to calculate only the time of classroom, not total school time. We have to calculate time children spend in classroom. Therefore total time of school is 5 hours and 15 minutes and this is a break time. We have to minus this break time. Then the total time of school spend in classroom is, children spend in classroom is 4 hours and 45 minutes. Means children spend in classroom is 4 hours and 45 minutes. This is total time spent in a classroom. Next example. 6. Sharad went to his friend's place on a motorcycle. When he started, his reading was 19,235 km. When he reached his friend's place, it was 19,301 kilometers. How many kilometers did Sharad travel? We have to here do subtraction. First, starting time or starting reading is 19,235 kilometer, and reached or finishing time is reach in house, the time is 19,301 kilometers. We have to do subtraction. Now 19,301 minus 19,235 means Sharad travel total 66 kilometers from his friend's motorcycle. Okay, thank you for watching the video.